shout outs to my dude, Big Dick Badnik Mechanic. Alright, thank you for letting me know that the statue's been repaired. So now we're gonna finally go down there and check up on it. I'm really excited to see it because last time it didn't even have a freaking nose, dude. There was like a straight up hole inside the damn thing. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what it looks like now. Alright, we just arrived at Tsuruhashi Station, which is our last stop before getting to Nabari. So I thought I would show you guys some of the sights behind me, so you guys can get a feel for the, the good old Japan. So I got this drink here. It's called Pocari Sweat, which is like Gatorade down here. It tastes way better than it sounds though. Yeah, I'm already drenching in sweat and I'm barely moving. Outside it's hotter than my newest mixtape. You gotta be very careful. Anyways, we got about like 30-ish minutes until the train is supposed to come. So we should be getting there in roughly an hour and a half from now. Alright, I want to show you guys something. So right behind me, you see that the QB house thing? That's a barber salon, and it's like fast food haircuts. Like they cut your hair within like 10 minutes, is basically their slogan. And they have one inside the train station. Now, it's not outside the gates, it's actually inside the train station. So while you're waiting for your train to come, like if you have a transfer or a layover, you can go and get your haircut and come back within just a couple of minutes. That's really surprising. I've never seen one inside the train station, like gates, before. They're usually outside. Japan never fails to impress me. Oh, that ice cream's looking pretty good right now. Should I do it? Nah, I think I'm gonna have to hold off. Gotta keep my spending as low as possible, even though that chocolate chip looks friggin' amazing, I'm not gonna lie. But nah, I gotta resist. I can't be eating this ice cream. No regrets. You saw nothing. Alright, we just arrived at Nabari Station and we're gonna be looking for the taxis, but Jesus Christ, it is hot out here. I cannot describe how hot it is. Like, imagine the hottest object you could think of. Jesus, it is bright out here as well. Imagine the hottest thing you could think of. That's how hot it is out here. Anyways, I'm heading over towards the taxis right now, seeing if they could take me over to that location, because we have to kind of go, kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. You see that mountain area way in the distance back there? That's where the damn thing is. So it's gonna be quite a journey to get all the way up there. And in this hot temperature, I definitely cannot make that trip this time. Last time I went during winter, it almost killed me. So we're gonna have to take a taxi this time. There's just no way around it. All right, I think I found my taxi.
はい、日本語うまいですね。だいぶもう。
いやー、うまいというか。
だいぶこっちへ来て長いですか？
今年は5年目です。
ああ、5年目ね。
はい。
それでももう会話なんてできますもんね。
まあ、
当然ね。
運が良かったからね。難しい会話だったらやっぱり無理。
ああ、そうですか。
あとはニュースとかは理解できないんで。
ああ、それでもうちら日本人はその英語でもそんなね、中学から習ってますけど、そんなこうねうまくできませんもんな。ずっとやっててもね。いや大したもんですね。日本語でも
そうね、私もそう思います。 あ、見えます。
あ、あれかね。
はい。
ち
ょっと左側にあります。
あ
もう他の人が。
じゃあまあここで待ってましょうか。
はい、5分だけで。
はい、わかりました。
はい、すみません。
はい。
There it is, guys. It's been repaired. So it cost me like $50 to get here, and I'm pretty sure the timer is still running. The taxi guy has been so gracious to wait for me. So I'm gonna really hurry this up. Oh, that nose is more bulbous than I was expecting, but I like it. So I'm just gonna be really quick with this here. Take a couple of videos from the front and in the back, and then we're gonna head. Oh, look, that hasn't been repaired. Huh? That's a surprise. Let's take a look at the hand. Oh God, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch the statue. It's the hand. All right, let's go from the back real fast. Hey, look, there's a bowl. All right, let's check the back out. Yeah, the back looks flawless. That thing has been completely repaired. Yeah, the paint job is nice as well. Everything's looking really good. Alright. Head back down. There's the taxi guy just waiting for me. Oh, he's coming closer. How nice of him. Ooh. Talk about a profile picture right there. It's thumbnail material. The wire's been painted up there too. Oh, is the Sonic and Knuckles sticker still there? Nah, they just painted over it. They didn't replace it. It's gone. All right, well, it's time to head back. I don't want to run out of my money here, so I gotta go. I'm sorry, I can't make this video any longer. All right, time to say goodbye to the Sonic statue. Maybe I'll check on it again sometime next year, but for now, it's time to go back. My taxi driver is like, hey, let's go. So it is what it is. Whew. But I am very hot. All right, I just got out of the taxi and I feel like I'm about to throw up. Like, I don't feel very good at all. I'm not sure if it's just being car sick or if I'm overheating, but I really feel like freaking garbage right now. Holy crap. So I think I'm just gonna rest for a couple of minutes before getting on the train. My lesson has been learned. I'm definitely never coming back to the Sonic statue during the summer. Never again. I feel like ass right now. And that taxi costed me $100 too. So that really sucked. And then the trip back is gonna cost me $50 too. So, yeah. I think I'm only gonna come during the winter from now on. Oh, here goes the train. Let's turn around. Goodbye, you little train bastard, you. Anyways, I hope that you guys were able to like the video. So as soon as I get home, which should be in about 2 hours, maybe 3, I'm gonna edit and upload the video so you guys are literally getting it within a few hours of me recording. Oh God. Within a few hours. That being said, subscribe, my dudes. Subscribe. That's all I gotta say. I'm literally 3 away from 600. So that would make my day and my trip worth it if you guys could help me out. Yeah, I'm really trying to get this channel to grow, but it ain't working out like I thought it would. Oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna start editing the Hokkaido videos after this as well, so you guys are gonna have a lot of content to look forward to. So definitely keep your eyes out. And then after that, I'm gonna be going to poor man mode. And what poor man mode is basically, I'm broke. I'm so freaking broke. So I won't be able to go outside like at all until like October. I'm not even joking. So yeah, anyways, take it easy and please stay hydrated. I don't want you to end up like how I feel right now. My stomach is spinning. So yeah, take care.